Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to check if you're shadow banned on Twitter. Now first of all, we all know what Twitter is, it's a social app, but what does shadow ban mean? A shadow ban on Twitter, also known as stealth banning or ghost banning, is a practice where the platform, that is Twitter, limits the visibility of a user's content without explicitly informing them. This means that your tweets may not appear in search results, timelines of other users, or hashtag feeds, even though your account is still active. Shadow bans are often implemented due to violations of Twitter's rules and policies, such as spamming, harassment, or spreading misinformation. A shadow ban can significantly reduce the reach of your tweets, making it difficult to gain new followers or engage with other users. It can be challenging to detect a shadow ban, as Twitter doesn't explicitly notify users about it. However, a sudden drop in engagement, fewer impressions, and limited visibility in search results can be indicators. Now, can you reverse a shadow ban? There is no guaranteed way to actually or immediately reverse a shadow ban. However, if you adhere to Twitter's rules, avoid spamming, and being respectful in your interactions, it can help improve your account visibility. It's important to note that Twitter's policies and enforcement mechanisms may change over time. So if you suspect you've been shadow banned, it is best to review Twitter's rules and guidelines and adjust your behavior accordingly. Now, how do you check if you've been shadow banned on Twitter? So to check if you've been shadow banned on Twitter, there are two ways to do it: the manual check and the online tools check. Now, when you want to use the manual check, you log out of your account, so it's out of your Twitter account. Then you search for your username using a different account or a private browsing window. Don't search for your username using that, and then you check to see if your profile appears in the search results when you put in keywords from your recent tweets. If your tweets or profile are not visible, then that's a strong indicator of a shadow ban. I repeat that. For manual check, first of all log out of your account. Then you search for your username using a different account or a private browsing window, and then you check your recent tweets by searching for the keywords from your recent tweets. If your profile appears in the search results, you're good to go. If your profile does not appear in the search results for those keywords of your recent video, then you know that you have been shadow banned. Another way to do this is to use online tools. We have several online tools that can help you check for shadow bans. These tools will help analyze your account and its visibility on Twitter. Some popular options include Shadow Ban Test, Twitter, and Twitter Audits. The Shadow Ban Test app or tool allows you to check if your tweets are visible in search results and hashtag feeds. While the second one, which is the Twitter Audit tool, provides detailed analytics about your Twitter account, including potential shadow ban indicators. We have other signs of a shadow ban apart from using tools of the manual method. You'll notice fewer likes with tweets and replies on your tweets. That is decreased engagement. That tells you that you might have been shadow banned. Also, when there's reduced visibility in your search results and hashtag feeds, an indicator of a shadow ban. Other indicators include fewer followers and slower follower growth. Notifications from other users not being received. All these are indicators of a shadow ban. So if you suspect a shadow ban, it is recommended that you review Twitter's rules and guidelines to ensure you're not violating any policies. You can also try contacting Twitter support for further assistance. I hope I've been able to help you. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like it. And also you can share with others. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.